Hey, this is Anderson Day with the XA Toolkit post number 4, and today we're going to be learning about back-end web development for the user experience or experience architect professional. So why back-end is important to the XA field is behind most large applications that you are going to be working with and creating a user experience for, there's going to be some sort of back-end development. Server-side scripting language, something that makes the app or website uh, more dynamic. It also can be very useful in making your portfolio more sustainable. You don't have to copy over any code, and you can create templates that you can upload some data to, and then it will push out new portfolio pieces for you. Here, I'll show you what I did. We'll start the server. Okay, so now that the server is running, I can go over to the site. As you can see here, this is the home page to my portfolio site. And how I made my portfolio site more sustainable is I created a template to put these on my home page. So you can see I got Vim Magazine, Ski, and Accessible Learning Conference. So if you go here, whoops, to the admin of the site, you can see that I have an app for Portfolio Home. And by using the Django Python web framework, I was able to create this. So as you see here, I can add new portfolio home title. Let's call it XA Toolkit post number 4. Let's choose an image for it. About a nice fireplace. This is so I can add alternate text to any image I upload. It will automatically put it in there for me. And then this is the link. This is the link to the web page that I'm going to create for more in-depth information about the portfolio piece. So you see we save it. And if we go back to the site, we can see that I added a new piece to my portfolio. So that's important sustainable wise, because you're working on projects and you want to be able to show an employer that, but it's very time consuming to do that. I didn't have to copy and paste any code. I just entered in text to 5 different fields, and boom, I got it out there. Another thing that is important too is just understanding class-based systems. So if you look at the model, this is the model that we have created for the portfolio piece, and understanding this can really help you communicate well with back-end developers if you're a user experience professional, and really understand how systems work and how they interact with the user. So for example, we created a class called Portfolio Home, as you saw when we go to the admin. You can see I have Portfolio Homes right here. And this is creating the view, or not the view, the ability to implement these things in. So I got a character field for title, text field for an abstract because it's longer, because character field you have to set max length, and models. So this is how the information is stored in the database, and then we can then call all of this information from the database and put it into a view. And then from that view, we have variables that can go into the code, creating a more dynamic site. Just the basic understanding of how the back end does that will really be able to ensure that you can communicate effectively with developers and the ideas you have to make a great user experience. Thank you.